Hi everyone, this is Sana Patan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is on how to tong your hair in a ponytail. There's a lot of clients and people complain about it's very easy to tong the hair in the front, but it's difficult to do it on the other side. You tend to burn your hand, your ear. I have done that while I was learning. And it's very difficult to tong your hair when you reach the back of the hair because you don't know how to turn and kind of do stuff there at the back because it's very difficult. So I have come up with this very interesting way to tong your hair. So all you have to do is pull back your hair into a ponytail and just tong the ponytail. Simple and easy. So we will start by first detangling the hair. Just detangle your entire hair. If you want the curls to start from the top, just take everything into a high ponytail. So you go all the way up and you just tie a ponytail with a rubber band. If you want the curls to start on the ends, tie a low ponytail, something that goes here, just at the nape of the hair, and that's your ponytail. So use a heat protector. What I'm using here is a Balmain thermal protection spray. And then just take sections, small sections, and start tonging the hair. So for now, for this I'm using this big size tong, which is a 32 inches. You can tong it in any direction you want. Keep tonging. Keep it closer to the ponytail, the base of the ponytail. Hold it on for say 5-6 seconds and then release it. Okay, now that's your first section. Follow. You can clip this away if you want. Take the next section. Now also depending upon what kind of curls you want. If you want soft waves, if you want the curls not to be very tight, take thicker sections. Right now I'm not taking very thick sections. Then the next section. Continue on the entire pony and I'll be back. So we're just left with one section of hair, which I will tong it now. And then we'll open the hair. If you open the hair and if you feel the front you need to add more curls, it's very easy to do the front. It's where the back where people actually struggle. Let it cool down for some time. So that's how your ponytail will look after curling everything. Now you just have to open the ponytail. Yeah. Just shake it well. You'll take a little serum in your hand. And just run it through. So this is how it looks. It gives a lot of bounce in the hair because the hair is not tongued in its actual position. Because if you do that, if you tongue the hair while it sits like this, it will be very flat. Okay, so what you have to do is, what this ponytail does is, you're over directing your hair to a position higher. When you tongue that and drop it, it gives a lot of volume and bounce in the hair. And then you can tongue the front the way you want. So if you want to do the front again, just take a section and just go away from the face. So it tongues it away from the face. Do the same on the opposite side. But please make sure that when you do the tonging, your hair has to be a little smoothened out with a dryer, so that you don't find any frizz and dryness in the hair while you tong. Yeah, that's it. So that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am in love with the volume and the texture that I've got. That is how my hair looks from the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, give it a thumbs up, and stay healthy and stay safe.